Hi, welcome back to my channel Nas Bakes and Cooks. I'm back again for you all with a very interesting recipe. So if you want to know it, I would like to request you to please watch my video patiently till the end. Let's get started now. In this bowl, I'm going to take around 5 tablespoons of clarified butter or desi ghee. You can use butter also if you want to. Into this, I'm going to add around 4 tablespoons of icing sugar. Sugar you can add as per your taste. So I have added 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now with the help of this spoon, I'm going to mix them very thoroughly till it becomes light and fluffy. You can use a hand beater or an electric beater if you want, but today I'm going to beat it with the help of a spoon. You can see it has become fluffy and light in color also, isn't it? For the time being, I'm going to use around 6 tablespoons of almond flour, and I'm also going to use around 5 tablespoons of flour. The help of this 1 teaspoon scoop, I'm going to scoop out like this and shape the cookies. So in this way I'm going to shape all the cookies. The reason for using this scoop is that I want to get the same size of all the cookies. That's why I'm using this scoop. Now with the help of the backside of the scoop, I'm going to press it gently in the center of the dough. You can do this with the help of your finger also. Like this. Do you know why I'm making a hole in the center like this? Keep watching, you will know. Here I have some homemade mango jam. I'm going to put this in the center of the cookie dough. In this way, I'm going to put all the jam in the center of the cookie dough. Now they're ready to go inside the oven. I have already preheated the oven for around 10 minutes. I'm going to bake these for 15 to 20 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade. Wow, look at this. So beautiful, isn't it? And they're so nicely baked also. You can see. And believe me, they're so tasty and very crunchy. Instead of buying cookies from the market, why not bake them at home? They are hygienic and healthy also. Am I right? Just listen to the sound of these cookies. This shows that they are nicely baked and are so crispy. You can store this in an airtight container for more than a week and enjoy any time of the day. I'll break one cookie and show you the texture. Look at this. How crispy they are and perfectly baked, isn't it? So if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and yes, please do comment also. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you'll get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently till the end.